Welcome to another eye-opening discussion. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that's as common as daylight, but often shrouded in mystery: morning erections, or as some charmingly call it, morning mood. Picture this: you're blissfully asleep, dreams weaving their magic, and suddenly, ta-da, you wake up to find yourself in the company of a firm friend downstairs. Intriguing, right? But hold on. Before you jump to conclusions, let's unravel the mystery behind this phenomenon. First off, why does this magical awakening happen? Well, it's like a symphony orchestrated by your body while you snooze away. You see, your parasympathetic nervous system takes center stage during sleep. Especially during REM, rapid eye movement sleep, the dreamy phase of your slumber. Now, imagine this: your bladder's full, pressing gently on the sacral nerve, whispering sweet nothings to your parasympathetic nervous system, which in turn whispers back to your body, "Hey buddy, it's showtime." And voila, an erection takes center stage. But wait, there's more. Hormonal changes add their own spicy twist to the tale. Your testosterone levels? Oh, they're doing a morning jig, peaking just as you awaken from REM sleep. It's like your body's own wake-up call. Rise and shine, literally. And guess what? Your body's a clever multitasker. While you're catching those Z's, it's also relaxing its guard against erections. Those pesky hormones that usually keep things in check during the day. Well, they're taking a back seat, allowing your body to express itself more freely. Now, here's a plot twist: physical stimulation. Yes, even in your sleep, your body's a vigilant sentinel, ready to respond to any touch, any caress. So if you or your partner happen to graze past certain areas, well, let's just say your body knows how to say hello. But hey, here's the punchline: morning erections are like a badge of honor for your body. A sign that everything's ticking along just fine in the neighborhood downstairs. They're as natural as breathing and as healthy as a crisp morning breeze. However, if you notice your morning salutes taking an unscheduled vacation, it might be time to give your doctor a friendly visit. It could be your body's way of waving a red flag, hinting at possible underlying issues like high blood sugar, pressure, or cholesterol levels. And here's a pro tip for the road: if your morning friend decides to overstay its welcome, or brings along a sharp, painful twist, it's definitely time to ring up your doctor and schedule a chat. So there you have it, folks. Morning erections, a daily dose of natural wonder that speaks volumes about your health. Embrace them, cherish them, and if need be, keep an eye on them. After all, a healthy body leads to a happy morning, and who doesn't love waking up to that? If you found this journey through morning wood enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button, share the knowledge, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Until next.